So another day shooting here at USA. Gonçalo is behind the camera and we're filming with the Pocket 4. So let's go. How do you feel about the Pocket 4?
I think it's awesome. I'm gonna try it against the Pocket 3 and see if there's much difference or not. But now I just need to survive the climb.
The climb up. Yeah. So what's on the menu today, mister?
It's Ursa without wind.
Also without wind and low tides.
Without wind, without sand.
And without beach.
Without beach, yeah.
So there was actually I just remembered this turns around, so let me try. See, this turns around.
What up, what?
What of what?
Oof.
Ooh. So we have the Pocket 4 on the right, Pocket 3 on the left. Here Maya Hero, testing the 7-inch with new props. And what do you guys think about the image? It's D-Log on the right, D-Log M on the left. Auto exposure, because that's what it has to be. No ND filter.
I actually changed the prop right now and it's feeling really good and controlled.
No, and I'll talk with the camera pointing to you. You can talk now.
So there's no beach whatsoever. There's a small beach right now, but this beach is not what it used to be. This is the Nazgul Evoque
F7.
F7. Oh shit. Rescue. What? First impressions. The drone is really smooth. I actually just remembered that I put the antenna in the wrong position. Guys, look at this. I could have lost the drone. Like, it should be like this. And I just flew like this. I don't know how the prop didn't cut it, but it works this way as well, as you can see. So, here he goes. The knight without shining armor.
So one of the differences that we have on the Pocket 4 to the Pocket 3, it's this one. Here behind the screen, when you rotate, you can see both. There are two new buttons. This is the zoom button that you press and it instantly goes to 2x. Not here, you don't have it. This is the C button, which means it's customizable and you can assign different functions to this. Another difference, and I'll try to show you this. The joystick, if you see the profile, it's bigger, it's more protruded. I don't know if it's
Protruded?
protruded.
Yeah, it comes out more.
It comes out more.
Yeah.
And the thing is, it's not just that, because this is basically a 4-way joystick with buttons, up, down, right and left, and inside. And if you push 2 times, it centers. But this one, it's like a real joystick. You can see the difference. You can just push it.
It's way smoother.
It's way smoother. It's not button.
Yeah, it's not a button.
You can go
All the way.
around, and you can go slower, or you can go faster.
It's a bit like the Ronin, right?
Yeah, it feels more like a real gimbal. It's different. And also you can just use it to zoom, but you don't use it that way. You use it to move the gimbal slowly and faster and center. So this new Pocket 4 feels more like a real gimbal. And also there's this. Then we'll show this in a while. Let's go.
was just trying both cameras, and what I see from it is like the user experience is about the same. I can see that the Pocket 3 exposures a bit more into the bright areas because of the D-Log M versus the D-Log M exactly versus the regular D-Log, which is way more powerful. So, but when we get to the computer, we'll see the differences. That said, I find that the screen is a little bit better on the 4. It can feel that the 3 is bigger, but it's not. It's exactly the same size of the screen, but I feel that there's a bit more hardware on this side. So there's more definition on the 4, and maybe that's why the size is a little bit bigger on the sides. It's like 1 millimeter on the right side, as you can see. Yeah. So in practical terms, it's a bit of an upgrade. I don't know if the price will make your decision a little bit easier because it's going to be priced around the same, but there's probably going to be some discounts for the 3.
So let's see what's in the bag. Here we have it. Osmo, big bag. It's a bit different from the 3, I believe. And inside we have Pocket 4, of course. Strap, so you don't want to let this heavy camera fall. Be careful. The extension with the USB and the button mount. We have cables, USB and charger for the Mi 3, which is great. Although the microphone, the internal mic, it's awesome.
Yeah, it's really good actually.
We have a wide angle, 75x, not 75x, 0.75x,
Yeah.
which is equivalent to 15 millimeters.
Okay.
We have, I'll show you guys in a bit, the tripods to attach, under here. Then you have a bigger stick, and this guy, which is new.
That's a new thing, right?
So what we do with this is turn it on. It has magnets and some contacts in the back. It stays aligned, and you put it here. And I don't know if you guys can see, but automatically
There's a light.
it turns the light on.
Yeah.
And you can turn it off here. If you like closer, you see there's 2 buttons on the top.
Oh, intensity?
You can change the color temperature. Press and hold, it goes off. Touch once, it comes on. And color, but you can also do it here.
So the Pocket 3 and the Pocket 4 don't do true vertical like the Mini 5 do. So what we have here is a cut from the whole sensor. So it takes the top part of the sensor and the bottom part of the sensor, and it makes a vertical image, which is wider than the horizontal view. Okay? As you can see, it's wider on top and bottom. We just filmed part of our YouTube here, and Gonzalo just ate his favorite pastry, and now we're moving on to another location to test out the settings and the quality of the Pocket 4.
Menus are different. When you push, you slide from the top. This is all you have on the Pocket 3, but here you have more options. The new menu where you can access the storage, so it's different. And also it looks like a bit more resolution on the. I don't know if you guys can see.
Yeah, I can see it.
It's a bit different. It looks a bit better quality here. And it's a bit bigger. You can see in the bottom, like half a centimeter taller, I believe. But it's a bit faster also when you turn off.
Yeah, slightly.
Sometimes when you turn on, it depends. No, it's almost the same.
And you can visibly see that the 4 has in the gimbal the magnetic
Yes.
attachment there.
So, how does the light perform against the sun? The exposure, I mean. In the screen, the 3 looks a bit brighter, but that might be just the difference between D-Log normal and D-Log M.
The log looks a bit washed, right?
Yeah, that's supposed to. Yeah, you can see more color on the 3 because we're filming in D-Log M. Let's see if we can do orbits around. The 4 actually performed better with the orbits. I don't know if the gimbal is different or not. But this is not a scientific comparison, just a user feel comparison. So take it with a grain of salt.